to Chicken Genetics Shorts and Genes, where today we consider what a monohybrid cross is. A monohybrid cross is used to study the inheritance of a single gene. The cross is between birds that are heterozygous in respect of that gene, such as between birds heterozygous for the Columbian feather pattern gene. Other possible monohybrid crosses include between birds heterozygous for the blue egg gene Usain and between Andalusian bluebirds, which are heterozygous for the blue feather gene. If we use a Punnett square, we can easily work out the ratios of genotypes and phenotypes we would expect from a monohybrid cross. In this case, both birds have gametes for both the Columbian allele and for the wild-type allele. And these are represented along the top and the left side of our Punnett square. Then by working along and down, we can easily work out what the phenotypes and genotypes of the chicks are likely to be. We can see that there is a characteristic 1:2:1 ratio of genotypes and a 3:1 ratio of phenotypes. So that on average, we could expect 3 Columbian chicks to every wild-type chick. We can do the same thing for birds heterozygous for blue eggs. And I hope it goes without saying that while cockerels don't lay eggs, they can still pass the alleles for egg colours to their chicks. We see that a 3:1 ratio among phenotypes again, so that an average of 3/4 of daughters will lay blue eggs from a monohybrid cross. The genotype ratio is, once again, 1:2:1. These ratios are common for this type of cross and are well worth remembering. One exception is where there are alleles showing incomplete or codominance. Then the heterozygous birds show an in-between or mixed phenotype that is distinct from both types of homozygous bird. In that case, the phenotype ratio mirrors the genotype ratio, with a 1:2:1 ratio of both genotypes and phenotypes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please check out my other chicken genetics videos, which are all made in bite-sized chunks to learn about the chicken genetics of interest to you and your breeding program.